Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valon Maddox, and today I want to share with you how you can get $20 absolutely free. Now, I'm an affiliate with Netspend, and what Netspend does is when I refer people to their site, they'll actually pay me $20 and they'll pay you $20 just for loading $40 to your new Netspend card. So what will happen is once you click the link below to go to my site, just put in your information and it'll take you here. Then you'll just put in your name, address, email address, and then choose one of the options over here. Then choose your Netspend card. Once you do that, Netspend will send your card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days, okay? That's my card right there. And it'll come in an envelope like this, okay? Once you receive your card in the mail, you want to activate your card, then go to your local Walmart, Dollar General, CVS, Walgreens, anywhere you can load a card at, and you want to put $40 in cash, pay $40 in cash and put $40 on your card. And there'll actually be an additional $3.95 fee just to load the card. So it's like $43.95 altogether that you'll be paying. Once you load the $40 to your card, within a few minutes, Netspend will deposit $20 to your card as well. And it takes place just within a few minutes, okay? I've done this before and I know it works. Okay, so that's it, guys. What you want to do is go click the link below, go to the next page. Okay, you want to put in all your information just so you can keep up to date with any income opportunities that I have to put more money into your pockets. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.